Hello and welcome back to Vet P&E. Well, I guess I've got a troll on my channel. You know, he says you didn't start the bike because you fucked it up. I fucked it up, really? Did I? I didn't start the bike because I fucked it up. Oh, I've turned Let's have a listen. Oh. I'm pretty damn sure I started it up. It sounds like I started it up. Smoke smells like it running, so yeah. I guess that'll keep the troll quiet for a little while. Let him go disappear off into the woodwork and cry on his own fucking shit. Fucking I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, as you can see in the videos, bike's been fully apart, put back together, fired her up, and she runs. Fucking idiots. I tell you, what are you going to do without trolls? Always makes an entertaining day. Oh, but yeah. Vet P&E's back on the road. Still got to do the paint job on it and that, but yeah. Full oil change been done. Used Castrol Edge this time. 10W40 is what it calls for, instead of Yama Lube. The main thing what you want to look for is the no additives added below the SAE 10W40 mark on it. So apparently this stuff's pretty good. Never used it before, but we'll see. And it's fully synthetic too, so I used Mobile 1 last time, but let's see. That's what I used last time, 20W50, but that's a little too thick for it, so. And again, that's got an SAE, don't have the SAE thingy on the back of it, but yeah, I checked out the website where I got all my information from, and 10W40 is what it calls for in Yama Lube. Oh, fuck that shit, I ain't paying that price for Yama Lube. Ordering it offline and getting it fucking shipped in and that, fuck that. I'll just go with some Castrol synthetic. It's not like it's under warranty anyway. Only warranty it's under is my fucking warranty, and I fix the shit when I feel like it. Yeah, but yeah. I hope this keeps everyone happy. I know it keeps me happy. Now my bike's back on the road, I can get back out and ride around again. So, oh, better not forget my vape thingy. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Anyway, have you a good day, everybody. Oh, what's that? I do believe it's running. Oh. Let's have a listen. Oh. I'm pretty damn sure I started it up.